Hello, everybody, and this is Ron Rudlong, and welcome to a disastrous, well, not disastrous, Trailer Park Cuisine, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted to. Maybe we should call this episode Ron Doesn't Know How to Make an Omelet. So, yeah, that's what we'll call it. So we have eggs, butter, and aroma bacon cheeseburger pizza. And so, what is my brilliant plan? To make an omelet that's filled with a bacon cheeseburger pizza. Seems like a pretty legit plan. I thought it would turn out great, but I don't know how to make omelets. So you can see me making the eggs there, and now I'm putting the pizza in. But apparently how you make an omelet is you cook it on low heat, and you poke the holes in it so the liquid drains down, and then you cover it, and you basically cook the whole thing, and you don't flip it. And so for my whole life, I've been flipping omelets, like the whole omelet, and then I put the stuff inside and I cover it. So, well, that was a crappy pan there. So that didn't work out too well either. So I tried a better pan, and actually the night before I made a really good omelet, and I had good luck with it. So I did it again, but again, nobody told me this omelet secret. So thank you, Kathy. I will make a correct omelet in the next episode. Maybe something crazier or something like this, but working out. So there you go. You can see me poking at the second try. This is the second try of the omelet. And there I am. I'm going to try to flip it, right? Yeah. Oh, no. That's not what you do. Who knew? I'm 40 years old. I didn't know that. So there is the broken omelet. However, the eggs were still raw on the one side, so I was able to reassemble it like a Frankenstein omelet. And, yeah. So here's the other thing. I burnt the pizza. Yeah, I burnt the pizza. So then I skinned the pizza, and I put it onto the omelet, and look at that. It's horrifying. And then I put some cheese on it. Yeah, you know. When you think you got the best idea in the world, sometimes you don't always have it. However, if you want to take a look, there it is, not looking so bad. Yeah, I'll let Ron from last night take over from here, but there you go. The thing I have to say, so you have this wasted pizza crust, but we also have those wasted eggs. And there is a couple of those dollar store sausages in the freezer. And we could totally turn this into a breakfast pizza. But I don't know. One thing at a time. We'll say that for next week. Because I gotta go to bed. But think about it. Okay, so cut to 5 seconds later, and I'm making myself a breakfast pizza, Mexican style. We start with the paste, picante, and then we've got the salsa verde in there. It looks gross. It looks real gross there, but I tell you, that was the magic ingredient. There's the sausage. Here's some Taco Bell sauce to make it even saucier. And then we had the eggs from the leftover omelet. And we add those onto the pizza. It's not quite looking edible yet, but trust in me. And here's the cooked sausage. Yeah. And then all we got to do is add the cheese. And look at that. We got ourselves a breakfast pizza. That's amazing. Right out of my fridge. Just a few ingredients. And look at that. Fully cooked and an omelet on the side. So there we go. Well, here's the big taste testing on the night of. And I really enjoyed the omelet. It was really tasty. And you can see me grossly eating it. And then the pizza, if you just look at the reaction on my face with my first bite, I really didn't dig it. However, the next day I brought them into work, and there they are, and we tried them out with my coworker Kathy, who is, if you see her here, she's holding her nose because it's so eggy. It was better last night. Yeah, so the opposite totally happened. The omelet was not very good. On the next day, microwaved, the eggs were hard, and it just wasn't that great. And meanwhile, the pizza kind of blew me away. And, yeah, just weird. There you go. This is better.
Is it bomb?
This is better than that.
Okay.
Now, actually, with a sober brain, and mouth. All right, you up.
So surprisingly, it tastes like there's pizza scraped off into an omelet. And it's not bad.
You want to try the pizza?
Sure, I'll try a bite of the pizza.
I feel like the pizza's better. It just tastes more like regular breakfast. So this is the point in my head as I'm watching this footage where I just see Kathy's stomach turning and she's just like, good God, I smelled all that egg and I had that horrible thing and I'm eating the pizza. Look at her, she's just like, oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Final thoughts?
Final thoughts. I think you took something and created something good. It doesn't necessarily smell that great when you open the container. That's pretty good. And the sauce on the pizza is really good, the breakfast pizza. Yeah, with the hot sauce and everything.
So yeah, she's right. It was a good idea, and it was a good try. But you didn't have to give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you for humoring me, Kathy. You are a brave soul. I I hope all of you enjoyed that video. That was a Trailer Park Cuisine disaster, pretty much. All right, good night for now.